How to install Porsche Cayenne wheel spacers.
A great way to improve the performance and appearance of your Cayenne is by installing Porsche wheel spacers. However, it is important to choose the right type of spacers and ensure that they are installed correctly to avoid any negative effects. Let's take a look at the proper installation steps. Use a cross wrench, loosen the stock bolts in a diagonal sequence, but do not remove them completely. Using jacks to support each end of the car is a better safety measure. Use a cross wrench to remove the stock bolts. Remove the wheel off the hub and set it to the side. Look at the wheel hub assembly for rust. You can use brake cleaner to remove them. Remove any rust and dirt from the wheel hub with a rag. Widen the entire surface to ensure it is smooth, because all of that surface may cause the wheel spacer to not fit perfectly with the hub. Install the BONOSS Lightweight Plus Porsche Cayenne wheel spacers. Then install the wheel hanger. A key advantage of BONOSS Porsche Cayenne wheel spacers is the Lightweight Plus feature. The benefits of the Lightweight Plus design are that the hollow design is further optimized based on traditional Porsche Cayenne wheel spacers. It is an effective design that can reduce weight and energy consumption and improving handling while ensuring safety and reliability. In addition, high-precision Porsche Cayenne wheel spacers provide high surface integrity, effectively guarantee safety, stability, and reliability, and ensure a smooth installation experience. Install the ring and then install the extending wheel bolt. Use a torque wrench to tighten them on the wheel. Make sure they are secure. Remove the jack stands. Slowly lower the car until the tires fully touch the ground, and remove the jack. Use a torque wrench to tighten the extending wheel bolt to the specific torque. Always tighten them in a diagonal sequence. This will ensure that the extending wheel bolts work. The same operation is done for remaining wheels. BONOSS recommends check the use of Porsche Cayenne wheel spacers every 6 months and checking the vehicle operation to ensure safe driving.